ban pynshlur ki khynnah makin nut ban mi shakhman ban pen la ki sap ki phong ka ken hun jong ka avenue kalawan ban pen ya kani ka winter camp ka badan ru ya ka phang pdeng balabu ha ka ktin pana ya ka Mynried ka bamun nak benta ka lawe ka te ka winter camp ka balas dang na du khat wi tere no pra ha Khliehriat high secondary school ban lapan kot pan hinin ka sngi ka khatnyau tere no pra bana benta ka ni ka camp lapan bet pen biang da ka office u deputy commissioner ka Eastern Hills district ling ba ka jingbei ting ka na ka district mineral funding DMF hinin ka sngi ka badai ka sngi bapan kot ya ka te ka winter camp ka MLA jong ka sutanga saipung constituency ka kong Santa Mary's Shilla klalongkum ka kong san pat u deputy commissioner ka Eastern Hills district u Shivan Shawasti IS kum usembut kong san bat kila dan hadu lais pangut ki khynnah school ki balaya shimbenta ha ka te ka winter camp bat hapo ka jinglam ka kenhun avenue ki khynnah kila sngo yo mensiam bat mi shakhman ban pen halor brinsan yala ki sap ki phong ba ki dan kani ka winter camp ka day ka way na ki kam barat ba jong ka Bor district jong ka Eastern Hills district ka badan ka jing thmu ban pen klan ya ka Bor jing mu jing barkhat jong ki khynnah ki badan ha ki jaka ba shakta na ka bati ki mar po khando bala care so dong ru de ki judging di ki basniu kum drugs bat ka ken hun jong ki avenue hapo ka te ki riu sngi ba pynlong ya ka winter camp ka ken hun kala ai ke jing islong ba marmen bat pen klan pen scam ya ka jingmut jing barkhan jong ki khynnah bat ru ka ne ka winter camp ka dei ru ka ta ka rinsan ka bapayang bha ya ki khynnah ba kinyo kalat ban kentiu shushu ya ki sap ki phong ba kerpang ba ki dan ban pynpaw per thai ki bala ai jing kran ki kan thop ru founder CEO of Avenue uba ma lat flang u principal Khliehriat High Secondary School u brother Solomon swear but layadon ringkat langru u project leader jong winter camp ha Eastern Hills district uba Alphonsus Khong Wirnong kidukhan jong ka avenue ki nong hikai jong ka Khliehriat High Secondary School lambat ki khynnah school
means A for awareness, C for confident or critical thinking, and T for talent. And also about the body language, power senses, and how to use it and when. And now, the most important thing is about confidence. It is important because it makes us motivated and less stressed. We should be confident when we give a speech or talk to someone for the first time. Before coming to the conclusion of my speech, I would like to share to you something about myself.
It says Mynried. Mynried has been a phrase that we have chosen for our winter camps, specifically for the Eastern Hills, because we know that our student community, our youth, and our adults all face certain challenges and certain fears that they're not able to talk about or cope with. Our winter camps this year has actually brought in to reality three very core components that you can see glaring on the stage. The first one is communication, the second is well-being, and the third, and not the least, talent. Through our curriculum and through our sessions, I'm sure that each child in this hall and who has been absent and has come back to class has experienced some sort of transformation in some way or the other.
And expect that all of you benefited from this program, and as a next step to take this program forward, I would just like to share that we also want to see what are the third part of the program is talent. Many of you have a lot of hidden talent inside you. Someone is a good speaker, someone wants to play some music instrument, knows to play some music instrument, or maybe something which we can't even think of now. So we want to provide you a platform also to showcase your talent. we will identify some good talented youth, some good talented students from all the programs that we have in all schools, and eventually we will have a district level program where we will have a bigger stage, bigger audience, where all of you will get an opportunity to showcase your talent. And if we can work out some program to develop their skills further also, suppose someone is talented, just to tell them, okay, you are good and you come and showcase. Instead of that, if we can provide them some ecosystem, maybe something, maybe a longer time, maybe 1 month course to hone their skills. So we will plan something more in future. This is just the beginning. I wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Do not think that I'll study tomorrow. Do not keep anything for tomorrow. Always study and show your talent, explore yourself, enjoy your school life, So these things are very important. Take opportunities whenever you get. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope that the creation of this camp over here will make a difference. As I have seen, there's a difference that has been made by our Avenues team. We all are enjoying this program, and take back home that one of the students had spoken about drugs. Take this message to everyone at home. Say no to drugs. No means no. This is the right time for you to learn about drugs is bad for you. Since at the age of when you just start school, you should be knowing that drugs is bad for you. Spread the word to everybody, to your parents, to your relatives, that we